Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset Acura TL transmission. Park the car on level ground, apply the parking brake, and set the ignition to on without starting the engine. Locate the transmission control module under the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable for 1 minute to clear memory. Reconnect the cable, start the engine, and cycle through drive and reverse slowly to allow the transmission to relearn shift points. Before you start, gather gloves, a jack, a wrench, and a torque wrench to tighten connections correctly. Check transmission fluid level and quality using the dipstick, topping to proper level if low. Warm the engine to operating temperature for accurate readings. Have replacement fuses and a scan tool ready to read error codes if the reset does not clear issues. Always safety first. Wear eye protection and chock the wheels. Begin by turning the ignition to on and leaving it for 10 seconds, then turn it off and repeat 3 times to clear minor faults. If that fails, disconnect the negative battery cable for 1 minute, then reconnect and start the engine to let modules reboot. Use a scan tool to clear transmission codes and initiate relearn if available. Finish with a slow test drive, monitoring shifts and any warning lights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.